Hello creating family, Alice here. I'm bringing you a golden opportunity whereby you can just answer simple question and you get paid for that. Yes, you heard me right. If you've got knowledge in any field at all, either health, fitness, entrepreneurship, business, or even pets, you can actually earn $100 a day just by answering simple question concerning your field that you are already knowledgeable about. How cool is this? This opportunity is available worldwide. You don't need to pay a dime for you to get started. So if you have been looking for a legit way to make money online, I will advise you watch this video to the very end because it might just be a game changer for you on how you make money online. With all that being said, let's dive in. This platform is where people ask questions and experts get paid to answer them. It's that simple. From health and wellness to tech support, legal advice, home improvement, and even pet care, there are countless categories to choose from. If you are a nurse, teacher, mechanic, or just super knowledgeable about a topic, you can start earning by sharing your experience. Here's how it works. You sign up as an expert on a particular topic or on a particular field you are knowledgeable about. Whenever someone asks a question in your category, you will get notified. Yours is to come, answer this question, give helpful and accurate information for that particular question that someone have asked in your field, right? Once you submit the answer and the answer got accepted, you will get paid instantly. And the beautiful thing is, the more questions you answer, the more money you earn. And yes, you can do this from your smartphone or from your computer. In as much there's internet connection, the device you are using does not really count. This even make it perfect for a side hustle or a full-time gig if you are consistent. Now the big question is, Alice, how much can I earn? This platform pays based on the complexity of the question and the category that particular question is being asked in. You can earn $20 to $50 per question. Yes, you heard that right. And if you are active to answer much questions, you can actually make $100 a day if you are consistent. Some experts even make up to $500 a week. But remember that your earnings depend on your effort and how frequent you are on the platform. I know your question is, Alice, after this much information, how do we get started? Visit the website JustAnswer.com and click on apply here. Select your specialty, whether it's health, law, tech, business, pet, or any other category you are good at. Complete your profile by providing your first name, last name, email, and phone number. The next thing you do is for you to verify your credentials. JustAnswer works with third-party firm. To check your qualification, the process takes a few days. Once your application is approved, start answering questions and start earning money. Note that the application is free, but you must have the right credentials and work experience to get accepted. Now, let me give you some pro tips that you will need to succeed in this platform. I will advise that you should choose a category that you are really knowledgeable about. This will increase the chances of your answers be accepted. Be detailed and helpful in your response in order for you to get good ratings from users. Stay active because the more questions you answer, the more money you earn. I forgot to mention that this platform also have an app. So take advantage of the mobile app for you to be able to answer questions on the go. And there you have it, guys. One of the best way for you to make money online just by answering questions on the field you are already knowledgeable about. How cool is this? Whether you are looking for extra cash or you are just looking for another side hustle, JustAnswer is worth checking out. Have you tried JustAnswer before? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also also turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. The next video that is showing up on your screen is a step-by-step guide on how you can make $10 per each photo you upload on this platform that I've explained in detail in this video. So click on it and I will see you there.